collective nouns. So here we have a group of sheep and a collection of roses. Group of sheep is called a flock of sheep, and the collection of roses is called a bouquet of roses. Both are collective nouns. A collective noun is the name given to a group or collection of persons, animals, or things. A school of fish, collective name given to a group of fish. A choir of singers, the collective name given to a group of singers. A fleet of cars, the collective name given to a group of cars. So here we have a school, given the collective name given to a group of fish. A choir of singers, choir, the collective name given to a group of singers. And fleet, the collective name given to a group of cars. A brood of chicks, collective name given to a group of chicks, which is brood. An army or a nest of ants. So army, nest, the collective name given to a group of ants. A troop of monkeys. Troop, the collective name given to a group of monkeys. Now some examples of collective nouns. We get some more examples. We have a herd of elephants, a band of musicians, a flock of birds, a crew of sailors. We move on to some more examples. A gaggle of geese, a swarm of bees, a bunch of bananas, a pack of wolves. Now let's move on to a bit of practice. We're going to match each collective noun with its correct group using arrows. So we're going to have our groups and our collective nouns. So groups, a group of elephants. What do we call a group of sheep? What do we call a group of sailors? What do we call a group of bees? What do we call a group of wolves? And what do we call a group of bananas? So here we have our collective names: flock, bunch, swarm, crew, pack, and herd. Now let's use our arrows to match. So starting with a group of elephants, we call them a herd. So a herd of elephants. A group of sheep, called a flock. So we have a flock of sheep. A group of sailors, called a crew of sailors. A group of bees, identified as a swarm of bees. A group of wolves, known as a pack of wolves. And a group of bananas, called a bunch. Collective name is bunch of bananas. View my next video on compound nouns in the Nouns lesson series.